Hi.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Why'd you change it?
Oh, nothing. I just wanted to make sure you had Spellbreak installed so we could play later. If you want. We don't have to, honestly.
We can play Spellbreak.
We really don't have to.
No, we can play
I
Spellbreak.
was gonna play it, but...
I have to play Among Us in an hour.
Okay.
Maybe after.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright. Sure, yeah. That's fine.
Michael, we need to talk about something.
Sure. Is it how you tried to kill me early game in a friendly in-house?
Why would you play Yasuo in an in-house then?
Because I didn't want to play Zed because it would have been way worse.
No, Zed's easier to verse than Yasuo.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
He's not.
I don't
Not
know
when
how to,
I play him.
I don't know how to break this to you, but your Zed is
Not
like,
when I play him.
your Zed's a solid gold.
Oh, but then my Yasuo is a solid diamond.
No, I just hate that champion.
Yeah, that's fair.
So, can we talk about your profanity problem, Mr. Reeves? How long have you had this problem?
Probably since I went to public middle school in Hawaii. Pretty bad place to learn to speak.
Want to teach me coding?
No.
Okay. You're so mean! Get out of my room! Get out of my room!
I would teach you coding.
No, it's fine. You
Sit in your big
no,
chair.
I like this.
Sit in your big
I like
chair.
this.
Sit in your big chair.
No, I like this.
Sit in your big chair. I'm hungry again.
You don't have to teach me. It's okay.
I know, but
I really like learning.
oh, I'm
It's
glad.
really fun.
I'm gonna see if you have something installed that is important. Called Pip. Nice. You do have it installed.
I know. I remember things.
Okay.
And I would like to tell you the things that I remember. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Remember, we'll use idle instead.
Okay.
Okay.
So. Okay. This.
This is a shelf.
Oh, sorry.
No, that was my bad. My bad.
Okay. This is a string.
It is.
Fuck
Good-
yeah.
good job.
Alright. X. Fuck. What is going on? Okay. 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 Alright. Okay. Print.
No, you're doing good. I like that.
I don't remember.
It's okay. Do it again.
Print.
Right?
Quotation.
Parentheses, but yeah.
I mean, sorry, yeah, parentheses. And then, like, stuff.
Yeah. Right. Now run it. F5 to run it. 9.
I know. What?
Oh, you gotta like save it somewhere. Name it come. Oh, okay.
Stuff.
Nice.
Okay. And then you said you taught me how to do a list, right?
I did. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So. Oh, you also taught me input. So like a calculator thing,
Yeah.
right? Remember input
Yeah.
is. Input is. And
Yeah.
first number, right?
Right.
That.
Sure.
And then
You can put anything you want in that. Any string you want in the input. Did you eat all your nuggies?
yeah.
And then what? And then what else? And then what else?
Okay, I'm Jerry.
Good job, Jerry. Okay.
Okay, so this is input.
Okay.
Oh. That.
Right. Yeah. So you need to assign what.
And then
input is.
y
Okay.
equals input.
Yeah.
Second number.
Sure. Yeah.
That.
Yeah. Whatever you want.
Okay. And
Gotta feed those kids.
was it? You have to do something with this. Or this? Or.
Well, don't worry about the. You have it indented. No need for that yet.
Okay, x times.
No, you got it.
I don't remember.
It's
x
okay.
Times y?
It's less about remembering the syntax of it and more about remembering the concepts, right? So what do we want to do?
We want
What's
to
your
do a
goal?
loop.
Okay, let's not worry about the loop. Let's worry about what's inside the loop first.
What's inside the loop is.
Yeah.
Yeah, x and y.
Right? X and Y. And what do we want to do with X? No, you're doing a great job. And what do you want to do with X and Y?
I want to add them together.
Sure. So what would that look like?
X plus Y.
Exactly.
Okay.
What do you want to do with the result of X plus Y?
I want the result to...
Think about the end product. You want to...
I want the result, and then I want it to do it over again?
Right, but we got to let people know what the result is, right? You can't... If you just do X plus Y, if you... Try run this.
Oh!
Right? So you just add X and Y here, and then throw it into the ether. We need to tell people about it.
Yes, so I need the... Okay.
Right?
Print!
Exactly.
Print?
Got it.
Eh?
Try it.
Huh?
Do it here.
What?
Just press F5 again.
Oh, right, yeah. So I have to...
46.
Wait. Print? Eh? No, that's not right. That's not right.
It's okay.
That's not right, but can I just run it anyway?
Yeah, you can run it anyway. It'll be really epic.
I'm so stupid!
Remember, you made it. So you made it a string, right?
Yes. Okay, print. I want X plus Y.
Exactly. Okay.
I want X.
Not quite. That will not run. Or wait, what? Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's
Okay.
not
So this syntax is.
No.
I guess that would.
Print, integer.
Well, no, look, listen. No, okay, you're getting ahead of yourself. Lily, you're thinking too much about the syntax and not enough about what your goal is, right?
I wanted to give me X plus Y.
Okay, and let's work it out.
Why won't it know
No,
X
let's
plus
work
Y? Why won't it know it?
Honey,
if
honey,
I
honey.
do X plus Y, why won't this work?
Well, first you need to wrap it. and
Okay,
stuff.
sure, wrap it. Sure, yeah.
Wrap it
Print X plus
Okay,
Y.
now run
X
it.
is
Run
an
it. Go ahead.
integer.
It is. X
Okay, so
isn't
what
it?
if I do integer? X
Okay,
plus Y.
whoa.
Print.
Okay, so listen.
And
Listen.
then I
No,
wrap this one
honey,
too.
honey. Oh well. See that will do something. Right, so let's remember. Lily, honey, Jerry. Remember, we worked from the inside out.
Yes.
So this is what happens first.
That's X and that just gives me X, Y. Right?
Exactly, yeah.
Yes.
Because you
Because-
need to think lower. What type of data is X and Y? Why is it just slapping them together instead of adding them?
Because they don't know what X is.
No, we know what X is here, but is X what you want it to be? Is X a string or is it a number?
It's supposed to be a number.
It's supposed to be a
so I
number.
have to put integer.
Yeah, you have to put it somewhere.
Okay, I got it. Okay. Integer X plus integer Y. What?
Try type something.
Oh, okay. I broke it. I broke it.
What
I broke
the
it.
fuck?
I broke
Try,
it.
Try running again.
I can't.
Oh, okay. You broke it. How did you break it?
I don't know.
How did you break it? I can't even.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Do it again. Can you raise this up? Okay, now go to the first number. Okay. I did it.
You did a good job. That's exactly
I
right.
understand.
You need it because here X is a string and Y is a string.
So you have to make it into integers.
You have to make it into an integer.
Now, if I want
exactly.
to loop it,
Right?
it's for and while.
Yeah, those are your two.
Okay, which one's? It's while, right?
If you want to go infinite, it's
While
okay.
X
Wild.
while X equals what? While X
Remember how? Think
less
about
than greater than 0.
Honey, think about how loops work, right? Loops need a condition, right? The big thing about loops is a condition.
Yes.
While loop, so it's here. This is the condition. While this is true, it will always loop.
Yes.
While it is false, it will never loop, right?
So while true.
Right, T has to be capital.
Okay, while true. What the fudge? While true, right?
Yeah. Okay. How do we make it?
And then I have to indent.
That is important, yeah.
So indent this, indent this, indent this, and then run it. No.
It's okay.
Why did it do that?
You have to put a colon when you're looping. Oh. Oopsies. Yeah, so you have to say this is a loop.
Colon.
Colon, yeah.
Then and then run.
Yeah.
Then first number 4, 5.
Yeah. Yeah.
I did it.
Good job. Good job, Jerry. You redid it. You redid the calculator.
Okay. Alright.
Now we can be a little more. Let's get a little more tricky with it. Let's get a little more advanced.
Okay, yeah, I'm done.
Um.
By the way, if you like want to do decimal, you put this as a float.
Right. Yeah.
I don't know if you knew this.
Thanks. That's pretty cool.
So if you do like, I can, decimal.
That's pretty cool.
I'm just saying.
That's
float.
That's pretty cool. How about we take it a step for? Let's take it a cooler step. So for now, how about let's get out of the loop because it might just be a little confusing, and we'll bring this. I hate you, Idle. I hate you. I
said that a lot.
I hate it. Idle's the worst.
Okay.
Does it at least like? Can I at least do this in Idle? Nice, you can.
I have so many spicy chicken McNuggets.
I know.
They're so good.
They are really good.
So
Actually,
good.
they're very
It's
tasty.
so good.
Okay, so how about
Okay.
you know how
Hit me with anything.
So
I'm like
Jerry, up until now,
Yes.
you've been doing a great job at Bell Laboratories, right? And yeah, people are loving the
My
new
calculator.
The new
Yes, thank you,
calculator.
thank
Yeah,
you,
it's
sir.
it's
Thank
an
you, sir.
innovation.
Can
Yeah.
I have a
So
raise?
what people are concerned about is they actually just want some additions to it. So in your calculator, you can only add in your calculator. People want the ability to do all like 4 of the main PEMDAS functions. They want to be able to decide which ones they do and not have it always be plus or always be minus or division or multiplication. So I want to give people the ability to decide which one they do.
Sir, I'm on it.
Okay.
So, first let's work from the smaller. So we still need them to input x and y,
Exactly.
and then we need them to input plus, minus, whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, so first number, then right,
Yeah, that's
then
intuitive.
input. Plus.
Okay. Are you able to run that? Are you able to run that?
This isn't gonna work, is it?
Well, let's see.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
I know exactly. This is so easy.
Wait, you were on a pretty good place.
Oh, was it? Was that
mean-
right? No, okay.
Okay.
Z equals
Okay.
input,
Okay, yes, right?
input,
Nice.
input this, this,
Okay.
then print, and then put a Z. What is this called?
What?
A symbol.
I guess like an operation.
Yeah, like a function. What do you put? Z.
Oh, okay. I think I know what you're trying to go for. Okay, you can't treat strings as like code, right? See how you know how because see Z is a string right now. You can't be like, boom, Z is multiplication is like code now. You can't be like this is now this. You gotta decide what code you're gonna run as a result of what they type.
If a number is an integer, what do you call the symbols?
I don't know, arithmetic operation.
You know what? I think this is right. Let's run it.
Okay. Okay. So why is this having trouble?
Okay,
Why is
because
C?
it's not a... Okay, you know what? I get rid of this.
Okay.
And instead, I... Oh, I know. I make it all parentheses.
What?
And then I run it.
Okay.
Okay, so it seems that didn't work.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me think about this. I want them to choose whether or not to use addition, subtraction, division, multiplication.
Right.
And they need to input that, right?
Exactly.
Okay. So the first part is right. X equals input first
also,
number.
This remember, this is a string. This can be anything. We're just prompting them here.
Oh, so input PEMDAS,
Sure, you can say whatever for a prompt.
right? And
Sure.
then we can do print integer. Yeah, this is definitely. Oh, right. They don't know
Remember,
what this is.
yeah.
Okay, so big brain. This
Okay.
so it could be addition. But how do I tell them to like choose one? Like I don't get it.
Ask your question again in a better way.
How do I get them to choose one?
Like plus minus.
Yeah,
So
how do I make them choose plus minus?
their input comes in here.
Yes.
Let's just assume they're gonna choose one of the four things. One of the four operations.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What about like okay, so there has to be
Look, I look.
Z
honey,
is
honey.
plus minus.
No, that doesn't make any fucking sense. No, okay, honey, let's take it a step back. Let's calm down for a second. So, for first off, Z is kind of a bad name, just like because we have X and we know X is a number and Y is a number, so you'd assume Z is another number, but it's not.
It's
so
not.
You can rename it anything you want. So let's rename it like op or op.
Okay,
or
op.
whatever. Yeah, sure. We'll do lowercase just as a good kind of thing. Okay, so now, depending on what they input, we have to decide on what operation we're gonna do, right?
Okay, yes.
Okay, so
for sure.
So this is a really good place for a switch statement.
switch, got it.
Or sorry, I guess it would be a good place for a switch, but Python doesn't have switches.
Okay, yeah.
So it's a good place for an if.
If.
Right. So
Got it,
it's an
yeah.
if statement. So
If.
have I gone over ifs?
No.
They're kind of like loops
Okay.
where you say
Oh. If something, then something.
exactly.
Oh my god.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, yeah, I know
so
that.
here we're gonna comment that out. So
Okay.
here, and you know what? I'm gonna even comment this stuff out.
Okay.
As well. So we'll just have. Let's just start with another little learning thing. We'll say x is equal to 10, and if x is greater than, I don't know, if x is greater than 15, we're gonna run something. See how the syntax is similar? We got our colon, right? And and we have an indent.
Okay.
So when everything inside the indent
Yeah.
is contained in
Yes,
the
yes,
if
yes,
statement, right?
yes.
So we're gonna print. So if x is greater than 15, we print big, and then we can run
What's big?
big number, right? Print first. Do I have any inputs here? Okay, so it doesn't output anything, right?
Okay.
Because 10 is not bigger than 15,
yes, I know
right?
that.
Okay, so if we change 10 to like 20, then it'll, as it steps through the code, it says, okay, x is equal to 20.
Yeah, I get that.
All right.
Yes.
Then we
Yes.
will run this in here. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's big.
Yeah. Beef.
If we want something to happen every time, like if the condition does not come true, so that's called an else, and we say else, E-L-S-E, right? Else, yes. Print, and here I'll show you this. Small, right? So
if
if
X, yeah.
okay.
I get.
Makes
yeah.
sense?
Yeah, it does
Okay.
make sense.
Okay.
Print it in a small.
print it and it's
Got it,
small,
small,
right?
yeah.
So if this is true, boom. If you want to check multiple statements, then you can do what's called an else if.
Okay.
I think it's called elif in Python. It's just shorthand for else if. Elif, boom. Elif, and then you need another condition. So this checks multiple, so this way you can check multiple things. So how about instead of numbers, we can say x is equal to, I don't know, come. And then here we can say if x is equal to like piss. Okay, and then we'll type p, and then elif, we'll say if x is equal to come print cummies, right? And then
Michael.
And then other, right? And then, all right, p, right?
Huh?
Okay, sorry. Okay, here, we'll name it nut if that makes you feel better.
Okay.
Nuts, right? Fine. So we go through the code. We say x is equal to nut, right?
Okay.
Okay, we say is that the same as piss?
No.
No, right? So we don't execute this. We get to here. Is it the same
But
as
it
that?
executed P.
Right, if piss. Oh, yeah. My bad. If x is equal. Yeah, you gotta do a conditional. Oh, that's my bad. You gotta check your condition. Okay, better. So you gotta say if x, you gotta make sure you know what you're talking.
What does the double equal?
So you know how one equal sign is assigning,
Yeah.
like here. So this is checking equality. So if x is equal to this, it'll return either true or false.
Okay.
Okay, and so here it's saying, is x equal to that? No. Is it equal to that? No. So we just default to the end thing here.
Okay.
We can say piece, and then it'll give us p.
Okay.
Right? Okay, so that's kind of the general idea.
Yeah,
How the and so if we went back to our other example of x being like 10, I actually did it wrong. So we needed to say if x is equal to if x is equal to 10, then we can say 10. Let's say it's if x is greater than 10, then we'll say big. And otherwise we'll just say other, right?
Okay.
So since it's equivalent to 10, so this is kind of on the same level as greater and less than, right? Does that make sense?
Why are the two equal signs if it's the same thing?
No. So this is not the same as this, right? So one equal sign.
You're showing me x equals 10, x equals 10.
Yeah, they do different things. No, they do completely different things. So one equal sign, think of it as assignment operator.
Okay.
Okay, so you're saying, think of it as kind of like an arrow, right? I want this number x to equal 10, right?
Okay.
So, but instead, it's kind of bad, like non-intuitive to have but whatever, that's what it is. So we say, I want the x variable to be 10. Like I'm gonna assign 10 to the x variable. Here, when you have two equal signs, or x is equal to 10, right? This is saying, is this equal to this number? You're checking instead of assigning. Does that make sense? A little bit?
Okay.
Sort of.
Kinda.
So you say this is gonna resolve to either true or false.
Okay.
This is gonna make the variable x, it's gonna give it the value 10.
Okay.
So here we have the bucket, like a thing of variables is buckets, right? We have the bucket x, and we're gonna put the value 10 inside of that bucket.
Okay.
Here we say, I want to look into the bucket x.
Okay.
Is it 10 inside? It's not. So this is actually, or it is. Sorry. Is it? Oh, it is the number 10. We're gonna return true. What if we say is the bucket x 4? it's not, so we're gonna return false from this.
Okay.
Right. So
Okay.
this is 10. We do 10. All right.
Yeah, got it.
Makes sense?
Yeah, that makes sense.
So we can do that with strings as well.
Okay.
All right. So kind of how we're getting strings here.
Okay.
We could decide to do different operations.
Okay.
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 So if I said, and we don't have to do prints. Here, I'm gonna give you like a easier example. What if I did this plus?
X is equal to plus.
Okay, yes, so we're assigning, this is no longer a number, this is now a string, right?
It's a string, that's a plus
Yeah,
sign.
exactly.
Okay.
Plus sign and a string. So instead, we can't do number operations anymore. Okay, so we'll do, also let me get rid of this stuff. Get back to basics. If x is equal to plus,
Okay.
then what we can do, we can say, maybe I'll call that oh no, I'll call it op. If op, and then we can have a first num is equal to 4, and we'll have a second num is equal to like 9. Okay, so if plus, then we can say first num plus second num, but with a lowercase s. So boom, that'll add. But then if maybe we want to have alternative, so elif op is equal to minus sign, and we can say this num is minus second num. And what if we change that to minus? Boom. So based on this string, we're doing different operations, right? So with that knowledge, we can make calculator do many things, right? And you know what? We're gonna leave this here, and it just as a reference to whatever, just so you can look at it. Okay. Then I'll take this and I'll put it down here. And I'll take those away. Now, Jerry, you need to make a calculator that can do plus, minus, division, multiplication. How would you think you'd go about it?
Love you.
I love you too. Your family needs to eat, Jerry.
Okay.
It's okay. It's a little confusing, right? But
okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Can I just think for a second? I'm thinking.
yeah, you can ask questions. It's okay. It's a learning thing. I'm not trying to give you homework. Just ask me if you're confused.
How do I do this?
Okay. We'll work through from the beginning. You're just confused how to start? It's okay, I get confused how to start all the time.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, confused how to start?
Okay, hold on. Let me just think for a second. My brain. Okay. Okay.
Tastes like piss.
How do you know what piss tastes like?
I'm a piss drinker. I love it.
Stop.
I love this. Can't get enough of a nice cool jar of piss.
Stop. Okay. Well, X. Fuck. So I think this part's right?
Okay, yeah. So you already.
X equals input first number.
Yeah. You know what? Let's get that out of there. Confusing.
Okay.
So we already have this first part. This is kind of one of those things.
Oh, I understand.
Okay.
Okay. If
Okay.
equals
Okay.
Then you print.
Don't forget your colons.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
I'll print first num minus second num.
Okay.
If up
We can do
plus
we can do
4.
You know what? Sure.
Then
Remember your colons.
print. What colon? Why colon?
Remember
Why?
for if it's just like a loop. So you do a colon.
Oh,
here,
right, yeah.
Remember, and here as well.
Yeah, and then. Oh, thank you for the gifted subs. Holy crap! Hold on.
Poggers, 20 gifted subs. Poggers.
Stop! You're embarrassing me.
Poggers.
Stop!
20 gifted subs.
Michael, please stop. Honey, stop. Why are you like this? Michael, stop. Michael, stop it. It's okay.
You're doing really good on the
Okay,
colon.
alright, okay. First num plus second num.
Right.
Then if up equals just that, print first num times second num.
Okay.
What am I missing?
Division.
If up equals, is this division?
Yeah. Sure.
That.
I mean,
Print.
it doesn't matter.
First
Like we can even like we can do anything we want here, right? 'Cause
Okay.
it's just a string, right? That is division, yeah, right?
Okay.
Okay.
And then that's it, right?
Yeah. I mean, you should try.
Oh, and then
Let's try it. Well, let's try it. Okay. So remember, right? Remember the difference. Here it's
equal.
Exactly.
Equal. Then
What do you want to do?
times 5. Okay. Well.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's look.
Okay. Oh,
Let's
the
look.
first num is
Right.
not.
So we instead
you
we
have
can
to
just
name
rename it up
first
there. Yeah,
num,
we'll rename it up there.
and then name it second num. Okay, 5 times 6. Oh fuck!
It's okay. Just
Wait,
run it
run
again.
it again,
Run it again.
3 times 5. Okay.
So try plus now, and it'll help you see what's up.
Okay.
Run it again.
Oh fuck! I'm sorry.
Run it again.
Okay, 3 plus 4. Okay, it's a string.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
I get
exactly.
it. Okay,
It's a string. Okay.
So, then you have to print. Do I have to put integer somewhere here?
So actually, let's think about what's the best way to do this, right?
Okay.
So since first num right now is being a string, and we have all these uses of first num written out already, it'd be kind of annoying to go in and write int and then cast it on all what is it, 8 references here?
Okay.
So instead, maybe let's do it earlier in the code.
Okay.
Right. So let's turn it from a string to an int earlier.
So. Int.
Yeah.
E.
Good job. Great job. Yeah, actually.
That.
Yeah, and remember, that's the same as doing like, that's perfect. Actually, I mean that's how I would have done. That's exactly right. That's the same as doing first num and then saying int cast on first num. That's the same, very same thing, right?
Okay.
But I like the way you did it a lot better. I like doing int and then casting it on the string, right? That's very good. Good job. Good job.
Yay. Okay, and then I do the same thing.
Exactly.
Here. Okay.
Yes.
Int over here. So then I run that. 5 times 4. I did it.
You made a calculator, Jerry.
I made a calculator.
Good job.
And then is it a while true
Yeah.
to do loop?
To do loop.
And then all of this?
Yeah. You can actually in a lot of code editors they'll let you highlight and then tab.
Oh, and then if I run that, 5 plus 64.
Good job.
Oh my
That's pretty
God,
cool, right?
That's cool.
Yeah, that's
Oh my
cool.
God, dude, I did it.
Yeah,
Oh my
good
God, I did
job.
it. Oh my God.
Good
Okay,
job,
cool.
Lily.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yay.
Look at that. First
Wow, I
calculator.
mean, oh, that's so cool.
Isn't that fun? Okay, so there's just like a couple of things you can
Okay.
make better.
Okay.
So the difference between, remember the other thing I told you about? That's like if, and then there's elif,
Yes.
and then there's else.
Yes.
Right. So here, when you do minus,
Okay.
if you just have if, it says okay, yeah, they did type minus. Let's assume they type minus.
Okay.
Okay, I'll print that.
Okay.
Because these are not elifs, it'll go, did they type minus? It'll like check. It'll check all of these, even though clearly we've already gotten it.
Okay.
Right? So it'll say, is this minus? And it'll say, yeah, it's minus. And it'll be like, is it minus? Or is it plus? Is it times? Is it division?
Okay.
Clearly we already know it.
Yes.
So we want it to stop after checking once. So
Okay.
if we do this, it'll, and this is true, it'll skip this and just go to the end, right? Here we can say elif. So
But
yeah,
it's the same
doesn't
exact.
no, it doesn't change anything, right?
Then why
But
would you do that?
because it's less efficient to check because we already logically know.
But the results are the exact same.
The results, no, they're not, because if you're like working on like a large project, then efficiency matters, right? And you might get some
But
errors.
it's all computer.
What do you mean it's all computer? It's all computer.
No. I mean, like.
The results are the same, but the process in which it executed was different. This
But,
is
like-
more efficient.
But like, what's the difference? Like,
What's
okay,
it-
let's say you have to do
Okay.
subtraction, right?
Yeah.
So I want to do 4 minus 2. And
Okay.
it checks that
Exactly.
first.
Yeah.
And then it checks that, and it's like just no,
Okay.
right?
If if that were ifs, then it would check all of them. But if it's subtraction first, it skips the rest of them. If this one is true. Yeah. Same with if it's let's say they typed in plus.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Is it minus? It's not. Let's go to the next thing. Is it plus? Yes, it is. Let's execute this and skip all of this. Right? That's what elif does.
Okay,
It
I
stands for
understand.
else if. It's
Got
really
it.
stupid. And then an else is a last case, right? So else looks like this. And can you see like the difference between elif, if, and else? Else is a little different.
So if it's none of that, then
It
do
will
else.
execute else. So you'll notice that look, else is the only one that doesn't
Print.
like enter something makes sense stupid. Yeah.
Like
right?
that. So
yeah.
if I run it,
Yeah, and you type like com or something. Oh, okay, or that.
error.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah!
Good job.
Okay.
Right. So you notice that else is the only one that doesn't have a condition.
Yeah.
Right. It's because you don't need to check
Yeah.
conditions. The last one. Oh. Good job, Lily.
Error. You gotta put in symbol.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah, it's cool,
shit.
right?
I'm a genius.
You're a genius.
Wait. Do I need to pay you for these
Good
tutoring
job,
sessions? How much
yeah.
do you charge?
$200 an hour normally.
Really?
To the rich kids on a wall.
Okay, but I get a discount, right?
Yeah, you can go like $195
That's it.
an hour. Yeah, sure.
Okay. 200 an hour. Wow. Did you actually charge 200 an hour?
For some people.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
They were not very frequent lessons, but yeah.
That's so cute. I'm just imagining you tutoring rich kids for $200 an hour.
You know, the funny thing was, it was always like a different amount. Like, I would like a lot of them, and so I'd be like giving better rates or something, and then the ones who like just wanted me to do their homework, I was like, okay, I'll give them money.
Thank you for the gifted sub.
Ooh, poggers! Wow, gifted sub! Poggers!
Why you like this?
Sorry.
Why you
Sorry,
like
I just pogged too hard.
Why are you like
Sorry, I
this?
pogged too
Please
hard.
stop, Michael.
It's me in the old folks
Michael.
home. Just having dementia. Poggers!
Stop. Stop.
I need my lithium pills.
He's fine, guys. He's just kind of, weird sometimes.
Pog. Okay.
Oh, okay, I
This
get
is
it.
cool, right?
Yeah, I got.
So
I understand.
Let's think about where like maybe this would be useful.
A calculator.
I know, calculator, right? But maybe if you're doing like, I don't know, you're like in math class or some shit, and like what if you can make any kind of calculator, right?
I got it.
Okay.
Okay. Ow.
Ow. Michael, teach Saikuno too. Saikuno knows how to code.
First, I got it. Okay, I got it. First word
Okay.
equals input. Okay, listen. Can you look the other way? I get really nervous.
It's okay.
No, can you look the other way?
It's
Can you
okay.
please look the other way? No, don't look at
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
No, please.
I'm watching.
Please stop looking.
It's okay. It's okay.
No, don't
you're
look.
going.
I'm
You're going
really
fine.
embarrassed.
You're doing great, honey.
Can you not look at my code? First. Michael,
I'm
please.
barely even looking at it.
Please. Okay. Second. Oh, don't worry, I got. I'm making a meme.
Okay.
And put. Can you not? Can you?
I'm barely even looking
Can
at
you
it.
please look the other
I'm
way?
barely looking.
Can you please look the other way? This is so embarrassing.
It's not. It's not.
Look at me. Look
You're
at
doing
me.
great. You're doing great.
Look at me then. That's fine. I'd rather do this. That's fine. I don't care. This is better than you looking at the code. Okay, and the third word equals input. Third word. I don't care. I don't care. You can keep. I don't care. This is better. Okay. Then. No. You can't look at this right now. You can't look at this right now. Okay. And then if. Okay, I gave up.
What are you trying to do?
It's okay.
No. Go back.
No. Don't look at my code, please. Don't look at.
Aw, that's cute.
Why'd you look at
What were you trying to do?
Nothing. Just delete it.
You can tell me and I'll show you how to do it, okay? Say what the
No,
goal
it's
was.
so dumb.
Are you trying to make it? Say one word, heart, one word?
Okay, I was gonna say. Okay, it's really stupid.
Just tell me the idea. And
Okay,
I'll
I
help you do
wanted
it.
to do this. Like, I wanted people to type that in.
Okay.
And if that were true, I wanted it to pop out another notification that, oh, you're right. But if it's not, then I wanted it to be like, no. It's really stupid and basic, I know.
No, that's good. We can that'll help us with our logic, right? Let's go back and try and find that. There it is.
Oh my god. Okay. I can't. You know what? I can't do this.
This is
so
good.
embarrassing.
No, but this is a good like exercise in the logic of it, right?
Okay.
So how about our calculator? We're gonna save this, and then we're gonna do a new, where's save as? Yeah. Okay. This is heart. We'll just save that as that and get rid of all this stuff.
Okay.
Okay, and we'll just work on this program.
Okay.
So the idea, right, is that you want them to.
I want them to type
I and you, right? Yeah.
You. But
right.
if they type it, then
you'll give a message.
Yeah, and then
right.
they get it wrong. I
All
get
right.
them.
Listen to that. You said if they get it wrong.
Yes.
Right? So what are we going to be using?
If.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. So break it down from what you're thinking in your head to what that looks like in steps,
Okay,
and then
so
execute it in code.
If. How do I do like multiple ifs?
So, do you mean like multiple conditions?
Yes.
You can actually do, you can, in one thing, you can say like, if x is equal to 10, let's pretend these variables exist. Fuck it. Does this exist in Python? I think you would just type and in Python.
Oh.
So you can say, so there's a couple of things. It's called ands and ors. So you can say if x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 7. Or you can say, and so that this if, let's just say pass. If, so this will only come true if this conditional is true and this conditional is true. Or you can say or.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
got it.
Right.
Okay, so if I do like if first word equals, am I doing it right? Equals.
Yeah, exactly. Equal.
I and second word equals that and third word equals you.
Okay.
Pass? No.
No, you just print something.
Print.
Oh, remember your colons.
Oh, okay. Print.
Okay, and you're gonna give a message if they're wrong. too,
Else.
right? Okay, so you want to have
Else.
exactly.
Print. Oh no. Oh, I can't do that.
No.
How do I do?
No, you're. So you want these to be. What are you comparing? So this is not a variable, right?
I just wanted it to be a letter.
Yeah, exactly. So what are letters?
A letter.
Yeah, I know, but what kind of data type is a letter?
It's a letter.
There's no data type called letter.
Oh.
What kind of, when we do words and letters, what is the data type called? What kind of variable
String?
is it? Yeah, exactly. So
So I
that's
have
not a
to-
string, right?
Do this.
Yeah.
And this.
Yeah.
And this.
Yep.
Then I print it. Oh.
So you prompt them with that.
Print it. I love you. And
Okay.
then-
And then we gotta run it again because it's not in a loop.
Cool.
Right. Exactly.
Cool.
Good job.
Oh my god.
Nice. So programming is kind of like building, like it's like using any old tool, right? You can like you can kind of drive in like a nail with like a big pliers if you wanted to, right? If you really wanted to get a nail into a fucking piece of wood, you can smash
Yes.
it with a big pliers and it'll go in.
Yes.
But you'd really want to use a hammer
Yes.
for the nail, but you can still get it done. So there's like a lot of different ways you can like go about this. So for this one, you can like check all those words together. You could have also like added those all to like a word and then to like a empty string and check that if that string was like equivalent at the end. So there's no like exact right way to go about it. It's just like knowing that you have different options to go with, right? That was a good job.
Okay,
Nice. Good job. So
woo.
now you learned and.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's and then you also have the option of or. So let me talk to you a little bit,
Okay.
just really quick, about how Python breaks these down. I don't know if it starts from left or right, but what it does is it looks at these first.
Yeah.
These are our booleans. The Boolean means true or false. It's just
What was it?
Boolean.
Bless you.
Kill yourself. Die, jail. Boolean, right? So this breaks down to either true or false. Then this breaks down to true. Let's say it goes from the end first. I actually don't know which way it goes from first, but so let's say this breaks down to true, and then this breaks down to true. Then Python is going to come in and it's going to evaluate, okay, what do these break down to? So this will be true, and then it'll have and this is equal to true. So true and true
Okay.
is equal to true,
Okay.
right? True and false, let's say this one was false,
Okay.
and this one was true. True and false would equal what?
True, false.
Would evaluate to what?
False.
Exactly, yeah.
Yes.
Because you can't have true and,
And
false.
false.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but if it were, let's say this was true and this was false, but instead we had an or,
Then it's just true.
then it's just true. Exactly, yeah. So that's Good. You had Boolean Logic 101 in college.
Say it again.
Boolean.
I don't mean to bully in you. Okay, yeah. Yeah, got it.
Cool.
Cool.
Now, how about we take like a good real world example? We can say, is this able to be? Okay. Let's say we're trying to look at like, let's say we're in class or some shit and we get like Pythagorean theorem. Whatever.
That's not how you spell it.
I hope it is.
Okay.
Math is so fun.
Okay.
So
A squared plus B squared equals C squared.
Equals C squared.
Yeah.
So maybe you get tired of writing, you know, the squares and then dividing it, square rooting it at the end, like in class. You can just have you input the numbers here, like in a Python program. Let's say, give me A, give me B, give me C, and you'll work out the functions on your own. You can write a Python program to do that. So that's a fun exercise, is to take this.
It's not a fun exercise.
And then you try to make your own calculator
it's not fun.
for.
It's not fun.
It's pretty fun.
Okay. I like my I love you thing.
Yeah, you had a good I love you thing.
You wanna play Among Us?
Maybe. Do you guys have room?
I can ask. You wanna play?
Check. Only if you guys have room.
Okay.
Dang it.
Play Among Us with us.
I will play like 1 or 2 games.
Okay.
If you have room.
Okay.
Oh, and only if you have room.
Thank you for the tutoring. That was really fun. Oh, yeah.
Do you want food? No worries.
I'm okay. I had spicy chicken McNuggets today.
Oh, sure.
That was really good. Thank you, Michael.
Bye.
Bye.